I'm moving slowly, but time's moving fast. These days have been lonely, I'm caught in the past. Of all the wishes in the sky, I thought that we would have more time. Every minute by your side was heaven, heaven. All night we were talking about heaven, heaven, forever and ever. Heaven, heaven. All night we were talking about heaven, heaven, forever and ever.
I'm not going anywhere. It's going down like I told you. I'll be the last man standing here. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'll have you begging for mercy, begging for mercy. Oh, I'm dangerous. So dangerous. I'm dangerous.
Salamat at kayo'y nakarating dito sa debut ng aking unika iha. Ako po ay masaya at kayo'y nakarating lahat. Yes. Pwede na yun.
Good evening po at welcome sa debut celebration ni Erich.
O Heavenly Father, you are the source of our strength. May you bestow upon us your divine grace. May you bring forth success in this night activities and guide us we partake in this occasion. All of us here tonight share the same prayer for Erich. That she may achieve her dreams and aspiration in life, that God will grant her the realization of her heart's desire and bless her with abundance, may it be financial or spiritual. We praise you, Lord, for surrounding her with love from family, relatives, and friends. Their presence in her life make the person she is now. They are the wind beneath her wings. They will always be there to support and direct her journey through life. Tonight, we ask for your even gracious hand to bless every gift to be offered and sanctify every wish to be uttered. Almighty God, fill our hearts with your love, faithfulness, and mercy as we gather in your name and bless the meal that we will share in this joyful evening. We entrust all our prayers unto you in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Amen.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Erich. Stay maganda. Yan lang. Happy birthday, Erich. I love you. Hindi man tayo laging magkasama, nagkikita, pero lagi mong tatandaan na we are all here for you. Love you.
Happy birthday. So, yung gift ko kasi, actually, tinanong ko po talaga siya kasi wala talaga akong idea kung ano po yung pinakagusto niya. So, alam niyo na po kung ano yung laman. Pero, for sure po, magagamit niya to ng sobrang tagal. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Erich. So, sa gift ko naman sa'yo is parang may idea ka na kasi tinatanong ko din yung gusto mo. Tapos, tinanong ko din yung favorite color mo. So, sana ito nga yung favorite color mo. Tapos, meron din siyang necklace. Tapos, yan. Meron din siyang pa-message sa loob.
Go ahead, open your gift, Erich. What's your first gift? Ano yung una mo natanggap? Wow, pajama. All right, and that one is? Jacket. All right, let's proceed.
Happy birthday, Erich. Yung gift ko sa'yo, alam mo, di ba nagtanong ako sa'yo kung anong wishlist mo? Pero yung gift ko sa'yo, wala siya doon. At bagal ko na po kasi siya tinanong nun. Eh kasi nahirapan po ako maghanap. So, etong gift ko sa'yo, magagamit mo pa naman siya araw-araw. Magiging... Tutulungan ka nito. Happy birthday.
Ayan na. What is your gift? It is... Ayan, it's a perfume. Magagamit yan ni Erich every day. All right.
Happy birthday, Erich. To sa gift ko kasi tinanong ko din po siya dito kung ano yung pwede kong mag-gift sa kanya. So sabi niya po nung una, wag na daw ako magbigay sa kanya ng gift kasi ayaw niya na binibigyan ko siya ng gift ng kahit na ano. Pero po, pinilit ko pa rin siya para mabigyan ko siya. So alam niya po kung ano to. And magagamit mo siya, lagi mo yung kasama, be. Pero mapupudpud din yan.
Go ahead, Erich. Ako mukhang
Hi,
may
Erich.
sapatos. Wow.
Hi Erich, happy birthday. Itong gift ko na to ay alam ko magagamit mo. Kasi ngayon dalaga ka na eh.
Ano yung cosmetics ata? Wow.
Happy birthday Erich. Happy birthday Erich. Hello. Guys, sabi siya pupunta ako, di ba? Nag-chat pa kami. Love ka namin, love ka ng Mercy family. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Erich. God bless you always. And may you become a CPA like me. By God's grace. Happy birthday, Erich. Wala kasi akong sobre, kaya dalawa na kami dyan ni Mama. Ayun lang, mag-aral ka mabuti. Mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Erich. Sana lumaki ka. Lumaki kang mabait na bata. Kayo naman inaano nyo agad.
Happy birthday, Erich. Yung gift ko sa'yo, ito yung bibigay ko sa'yo kasi alam kong mas gusto mo to. Yun. Ay, pati si Mami agree, di ba? Ayun. So, happy birthday. Aral mo na mabuti. And as you grow older, choose your battles wisely. Ayun lang. Wag lang masyadong seryoso. We love you. Ayun. Stay as sweet as you are. Yee.
Happy birthday sa aking napakagandang pamangkin. Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil sa buong 18 years ginabayan ka niya. And iningatan ka niya. Itong gift ko na ito sa'yo, ito ay pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Pag sinuot mo to, mararamdaman mo na niyayakap kita. I love you so much. God bless you.
Kala ko hindi naiabot ni tita. Happy birthday, Erich. We are so happy na palagi kang jolly and sobrang nabibigyan mo kami ng joy every time na nandyan ka.
Lalo na yung entrance mo kanina, pasabog. Ganon. Happy birthday and mag-aral kang mabuti. Itong gift ko sa'yo, makakapunta ka ng Japan, Korea, kahit saan mo gusto. Kahit sa Mars. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Erich. I love you so much. So, mamaya na iba kong message para surprise. Tapos, ang gift ko sa'yo, secret. Secret.
Happy birthday, Miss Erich. First time to meet you. Facebook lang kita nakikita eh. Wish ko lang na you grow beautiful, not outside but also inside. Always be kind. Always remember to be kind to all the people that you meet along the way. Happy birthday. God bless.
Ay, be. Wala ko ano. Hindi ako ready. Okay na? Be, happy birthday. Now that you are 18, be more responsible with your actions na. Huwag na masyadong OA. And never stop reaching for your dreams. Marami-rami yan, alam mo yan. And may you always have the courage to chase after what you want. Alam mo yan. And never ever settle for anything less. And I hope life blesses you with all the happiness and the love that you deserve. Basta ate will never stop being for you lang. Happy birthday.
Wow, palakpakan naman po natin the second batch. 1, 2, and 3. Ladies and gents, the 18 gifts and treasure, palakpakan naman po natin.
Good evening to all of you. Before I sing po for Erich, can we all take this time to applaud her for living for 18 years? Grabe, ang tagal mo nang nandito sa mundo. Pero ayun, so I just want to take this time to really honor her by singing a message before singing the song. So actually po, me and Erich go way back. Hello? Ayan. Almost for a decade na po kami magkakilala. And all I can say is Erich is really one of the examples of being a low maintenance friend. Ayan. Kasi we never really had the time to be closer together in having sa deep conversations, ganyan. Kasi I met her elementary pa lang kami. And during the time that we were high school, nasa magkaibang friend group kami. So, it was never really something na na parang ay kikitain ko to si Erich pag gantong araw, ganyan. Pero all I want to say is that I'm really glad na our friendship grew the way that it did. I love the fact na hindi mo pinaramdam sa akin or sa amin na we were ever left out, na we were kumbaga never close with you, kumbaga even if we were to talk to you for at least an hour man lang, malalaman na namin na it's as if we grew up with you. And I just love how you have that effect on other people. So, for this time in your life, it's going to be such a roller coaster. I just really pray and hope that you keep your unfilteredness, yung kakayahan mong magpakitang ng sarili mo, ng totoong self mo. And I just want to really magsabi sa'yo na the growth that you have is already so much growth and development, and you're really on the right track, I can see. So, ayun, we're always gonna be here for you. I hope na, ayun, natupad ko naman yung promise mo na na wag muna tayong mag-aaway kasi invited ako sa debut mo. So, yun nga. So, hindi naman tayo nag-away. So, I hope that with all of these months and years to come of friendship and love, we're going to be able to go deeper as friends. Ayan. So, eto pong song na to, it was actually requested to us by the debutant. It's Can't Help Falling in Love. And ayan, I guess we can start. Happy birthday, Erich. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, but I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. For I can't help falling in love with you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bunso. Happy birthday. Kahit di tayo nagkikita gano'n. Alam mong love na love kita. Love ka namin. Natutuwa ako, 18 ka na. Wala ka pang boyfriend. Sobrang natutuwa ako. Bunso, mag-aral ka mabuti. Ang gawin mong inspirasyon, yung mamang gulang mo. Si papa mo, si mama mo, si kuya mo. Silang gawin mong inspirasyon. Tuparin mo yung mga pangarap mo, ang pangarap mo, pangarap ng mga magulang mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you.
Hindi ako iyak katulad dito. Happy birthday, Erich. Legal age ka na, so i-watch mo mabuti yung mga kilos mo. Charis. Alam mo na kahit malaki yung distance natin sa isa't isa, you can always come to me and talk to me. Whatever it is, kung sa research ba yan, kung sa mga kalokohan mo ba, what. Kaya ko maging reliable person for you anytime. Yun lang. Love kita.
Hi, Erich. Welcome to... masaya ako ngayong gabi nito dahil welcome to Legality at 18. Ngayong mag-matured ka na at Erich, mag-aral kang mabuti. Okay lang na kung magkaroon ka ng boyfriend ay mag-inspiration mo yon. Pero at the best, mag-aral ka. Talagang maging inspiration mo, syempre, una-una yung mga magulang mo. Syempre, saka ako natutuwa sa'yo dahil alam ko matalino kang bata. Ever since. I love you.
Okay, actually, 3 pages to. Nung ginugol docs ko siya. So, ito yung summarization, kumbaga. Happy 18th birthday. Uy, Erich. To summarize everything in 2 words, it will be thank you. Thank you for being my 911. Thank you for being my defender when life gets tough. Thank you for being my confidant, always ready to listen and understand without judgment. Thank you for being my rock, providing unwavering support and guidance through the ups and downs. Thank you for being my source of laughter and joy, filling my life with unforgettable memories. Thank you for being my inspiration, motivating me to be the best version of myself. Thank you for being my family, my constant companion since we were babies. And thank you for being my sister, not just by blood, but by heart. Thank you for being you, Erich, because in your presence, I find love, strength, and hope. Kakaiyak, no? Ang bilis ng panahon. Parang kahapon lang, bibi pa tayong buhat ni Tito Dongding. Bale, karga niya tayo. Pareho. Pati nung parang mga batang kali pa tayo, maingay na naglalaro sa labas. Ngayon, nandito ka na, celebrating 18 years of your life. Since baby pa tayo magkasama, no? We were not just cousins, but sisters, and parang true karamay at kaibigan. Di ko makakalimutan talaga nung tinawag mo akong 911. And it's true. We are each other's 911. Us against the world nga eh. Kapag may problema ako, handa kang tumulong at makinig. Alam mo nung isang... Alam mo, ang isa sa mga bagay na nagpapalakas sa akin, ang alam na mayroon akong isang katulad mo na laging nariyan, laging handang makinig at umintindi. You always give the best, realest, at pinakamatatag na advice. Andyan ka lagi, minention ko na nga, and I truly appreciate na di mo kinukonsinte yung mga mali kong ginagawa and instead you help me correct them. Alam ko na hindi mo ako papabayaan at lagi mong itataguyod ang ating kapakanan. Wow, nagtagal! Okay, malapit na. Okay, I am super proud of what you have accomplished, may it be big or small. Salamat sa lahat ng mga sandaling kasama kita. Mula sa kalokohan natin hanggang sa mga deep convos. Every time na magkasama tayo, laging may tawa at saya. Ikaw ang nagbibigay ng kulay sa aking buhay. At nagpaparamdam sa akin na hindi ako nag-iisa. Ngayong 18 ka na, sana marami ka pang tagumpay at masasayang alaala na darating sa'yo. Nandito lang ako lagi para sa'yo, ano man ang mangyari. Happy birthday ulit, I love you.
Kalahating bond paper lang. Dapat last ka na eh. Mapapalaban tuloy ako. Happy birthday! Ikaw, nag-dress pa ako para sa'yo. Happy birthday, Ate Erich. It is amazing to see how time flies so fast. Dati blessings tayo, ngayon problema na tayo. Kidding aside, I'm grateful to have a cousin like you. Visit ka man most of the time, visit ka pa rin minsan. Pero, okay lang. Kasi, sobrang grateful ako kung sino ka sa amin. Especially, ayun, sa aming dalawa. And you taught us a lot of things. Magrebelde. Joke lang. Over the years, we have shared countless memories, laughter, and even fights. Through it all, we have shown an incredible, you have shown an incredible strength, resilience, and admiration that inspire me constantly. May your 18th birthday be filled with love, joy, adventure, and success. Remember that you have a heart full of dreams. So go out into the world and make them real. Happy birthday, Ate Erich. I am excited to witness the remarkable journey that lies ahead for you. May this new chapter of your life brings you endless happiness, countless blessings, and fulfillment beyond measure. Happy birthday again.
Yan, happy 18th birthday, Erich. Cheche. Cheche yan sa amin. Laki mo na. Ang laki na niya. I want you to know na proud ako sa'yo kasi you've been through a lot and naging saksi ako sa ilan sa mga yon. And yet you're still here, alive and kicking, and still the kindest person that you are. Kahit di tayo palagi magkasama kasi LDR tayo. LDR, you can always count on me and yun, one shot away. Thank you Ren, for being such a ray of sunshine and a good listener. Walang palya na nakikinig at umiintindi sa mga taong lalapit sa kanyang may problema. Yan. I wish you joy, success, safety, happiness, lahat na kasi you deserve good things in life. Yan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Erich. Actually, hindi ko alam kung paano ko sisimulan yung message ko sa'yo kasi ilang araw mo lang din naman sinabi sa akin na 18 candles na rin ako. Kaya di ako nakapag-prepared, pero eto ka. Yung ang daming pinagdaanan ng friendship natin from grade 3 to grade 12. So sa 10 years na yon, maraming obstacle na nangyari. So parang yung friendship natin is parang roller coaster na paikot-ikot. Pero kahit ganun yung nangyari, nandito pa rin tayo, magkaibigan, nagtatawanan, magkasama lagi. Yun nga, naalala ko, ng grade 2 tayo, yung grade 3 tayo, lagi tayo magkaaway. Kasi magka-service tayo, nagsisipaan tayo ng bag. Tapos naiinis tayo sa isa't isa na walang dahilan. Pero eventually, naging mag-best friends naman tayo. Kaya tuwang-tuwa ko noon kasi nagkaroon ako ng best friend. Kasi dati, hirap ako makipag-usap sa ibang bata na katulad natin. And naalala ko kapag break time, field trip, tayo pa rin yung magkasama. Hindi tayo mapag-iwalay. Yan nga, hindi mawawala sa atin, nagtatawanan tayo together. And I just want to say sorry sa mga nagawa and nasabi ko. So yun, nagkaroon tayo na hindi pagkakaintindihan and pagkakaunawaan. Tapos yung time na yun, dun ko rin na-realize na sobrang nagkamali ako sa nagawa ko. And kaya nagulat ako nung sinabi mo invited ako sa debut mo kasi akala ko talaga nung nagkaalis naman tayo ng time na yun, pero akala ko talaga hindi na mababalik yung friendship natin katulad before. And ayan. Pero na, I'm so thankful kasi yun nga, nagkaayos tayo and mas naging better yung friendship na meron tayo ngayon. And super thankful ako and sa inyo kasi noong time na super downfall ko sa life, you know that, na nandyan kayo, you guys been there for me and ikaw yung unang-una nangangamusta sa akin and binigyan mo ako na advices. Kaya mas naging okay rin ako. Happy Legality, super proud ako sa development mo, sa self mo, and paano ka nag-handle ng mga bagay-bagay. And I'm so happy kasi 18 ka na. And please don't settle for less. No, alam mo naman na super worth it ka and hindi ka namin hinahayaan na masaktan, umiyak, or whatsoever. Ayan nga, nakita ko rin kung paano ka nag-grow sa ganyang pag-uugali mo. I mean, in a good way. At paano may help yung sarili mo. Kaya thank you sa genuine friendship na pinaramdam mo sa akin. And I know di ko to always nasabi, pero if you need someone to talk to, or if you need if you need a shoulder to cry on, always remember that I'm always here, willing ako makinig, and willing ako umiyak kasama ka. Sasamahan kita umiyak, humagulgol. And sana mag-grow pa yung friendship natin. And more memories to come, kahit magkakaiba na tayo ng universities sa pasukan. Happy birthday and wish you all the happiness and love in life. And I love you so much, Erich.
Hindi ko hahabaan to, Erich. Happy birthday, Erich. Hindi naman ako na-inform na dapat pala mahaba yung sasabihin. Ayun, enjoyin mo yung 18th birthday mo, Erich. Sa totoo lang, ito yung pinakamagandang, pinakamasayang stage ng buhay natin. Yung ganyang 18 ka, magiging 20 ka, tapos okay lang din magka-jowa. Basta always know your limitation lang, Erich. Yun. Happy birthday, yun lang. Lagi mong tandaan na kahit malayo kami, pwede mo kaming tawagan, pwede mo kaming puntahan. Ganon. Or puntahan ka namin. Ganun. Happy birthday. Love you.
Palakpakan naman po natin the first batch.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Erich. Even if medyo matagal-tagal na rin tayo hindi nag-uusap, hindi nawawala yung friendship natin. I always remember the memories we had together nung bata tayo hanggang ngayon. Dahil tumanda rin tayo ng magkasama. I learned from you growing up since ate kita and lagi kang may paraan para sa lahat. I admire your loyalty, confidence, and humor. Dahil kahit kailan napapatawa mo ko at nai-inspire na maging outgoing. I hope you know that I'm always rooting for you and I will be the younger sister you never had. I wish you all the happiness you deserve. Kisses and happy birthday ulit.
To my dearest Erich yan. So, ayun, happy 18th birthday, Bunso. Alam ko na isa to sa mga araw na pinakahihintay mo talaga. Alam ko pinagplanuhan mo to. Ayun, happy 18th birthday uli. Ayun, have many birthdays to come. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Alam mo yan. And I am very, very happy for you. Ayun, ito na yung pinaghirapan mong ayusin, magplanuhin. Ito talaga yung ramdam mo talaga. Makikita niyo po talaga yung stress ni Erich sa school. Makikita niyo po talaga na stress siya sa school. And gusto ko lang sabihin na thank you. Unang-una sa Lord, sa buhay mo, sa buhay ng parents mo kasi kung wala po sila tita at tito, wala ka. So ayun, kaya thank you sa Lord sa buhay mo. Thank you dahil nagkaroon ako ng kaibigan na kagaya mo. Nagkaroon ako ng Erich na mabait, Erich na mapagmahal. Alam niyo po kasi si Erich, yung type na kaibigan na iintindihin ka, yung type na kapag alam niyang na yung pag alam niyang nag-iisa ka na, lagi ka niyang sasamahan sa lahat ng bagay. And ayun, ang prayer ko sa'yo na maging successful ka sa life mo, makamit mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Makamit mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay mo. And also pray na maging masaya ka. Yung genuinely na masaya ka talaga, na hindi mo na kailangang umiyak pa sa mga bagay na masakit sa'yo. And I hope and pray na sa darating na panahon na ma-meet mo yung tao na hindi ka sasaktan. Yung tao na mamahalin ka for being you. Yung tao na aalagaan ka rin. Kasi deserve mo. Deserve mo mahalin, deserve mong alagaan. Kaya ayun, deserve mong mahalin. Kaya always remember na nandito lang ako para sa'yo, na lagi kitang sasamahan, lagi kitang iintindihin hanggang sa panahon na makakaya ko. And ayun, one call away lang ako and I love you.
Okay. So, ayun. Hi, May Cheche. Happy 18th birthday. On this special day, I want you to know how much you mean to me. Kasi, sa school, ikaw yung parang
tinuturing ko na little sister ko kasi alam mo yun na gusto kong magkaroon ng kapatid na babae kaso hindi ako pinigyan. Tapos tita, thank you po sa trust na binigay niyo sa akin na, oh my God, na alagaan ko si Erich kapag kami dalawa lang po magkasama. Tapos, hindi man perfect yung friendship na meron tayo, but it has been a beautiful journey and I'm excited to see where it takes us next. I'm so thankful to have you in my life. Thank you for your support, pangungulit, pang-aasar sa kakulitan natin, lahat ng kalokohan natin. Thankful ako. Kahit minsan nag-aaway tayo, ay, minsan ba? Pero nag-aaway na. Madalas. Kasi, syempre, may hindi tayo pagkakaintindihan. Thank you sa support na binibigay mo sa lahat ng bagay. Alam mo na kung saan yun. Tapos, syempre, nandito lang ako lagi for you. Sa lahat, yung taong pagrarantan mo, taong makikare sa'yo lagi. So, ayun, as you go on with your journey, remember to always follow your heart and never stop dreaming. Here's to new adventures, endless laughter, and another year of great memories. Enjoy your day and happy legality. I love you so much, my cheche. Erich. Yung letter P na nickname mo, hindi ko nasasabihin. Ayun lang, I'm always here for you. I love you.
So, okay. Dearest Erich, happy 18th birthday. I've already wrote you a letter tucked inside your birthday gift. Sana hindi ka magsawa. Ang dami ko na kasi talagang message sa'yo. So, meron akong nasulat doon, tapos dito. Okay. I never knew that we would become friends as our personalities differ in so much ways. Yet your wild and outgoing color shine through you. I always admire the way you smile. Pag tumatawa ka, lalo na pag naglolokohan tayo, yung mga friend group natin, tapos ang dami niyong, yon. Tapos, ayun, I appreciate how stunningly you look walking there or here. It was so unexpected that we would suddenly bond. It was so unexpected kasi super layo ng personality talaga natin. Ayan. Thank you for making me feel included and welcome during those breakdowns I had na tipo pupunta pa ako sa classroom nyo kasi di ko na talaga carry yung nangyayari. Tapos kayo, kahit na nakaupo lang kayo, I felt like you were there. I never felt an inch of judgment. Grabe yung pagod ko nun kasi feel ko buong mundo kaaway ko nun. Tapos nandyan kayo na sinusuportahan ako. Basta nandyan lang kayo. Tapos alam niyo yun, gumaan yung pakiramdam ko. You changed the world. You changed how I view the world for me. You, pati sa current friend group natin, thank you. In the midst of my darkness, you guys shine through. Wala pa tayong masyadong memory na perform with each other. Sana magkaroon pa tayo so much more stories together. Ayan. The day you have turned 18, you will become the same person, yet with a new day to celebrate. You have no idea how flawlessly you look with your pre-debut pictures. I cannot help but admire you as you astonishingly pose for each click of the camera. So, eto, message ko na din to sa sinulat ko dun sa gift mo. And then, happiest 18th birthday to you. We have recently became friends. You have been a wonderful person even if you disagree. Even if you hide yourself with unfiltered words. Even if you dispute or argue with us na hindi ka mabuting tao ka. I still see you as one wonderful woman, a person who actually cares. Thank you for sharing with me your gorgeous laughter. I hope that you will find a path carved for you to see that on a road that may be rocky, perplexing, or one big labyrinth. I hope you continue pursuing it to find your path. If life gets exhausting, be exhausted with us. You made an impact in my life, so if ever you need someone to cry on or to simply listen, I am here for you. We are here for you. enjoy your big day today and even the day after, as being 18 does not end just on this day.
Happy birthday, Erich. Now that you're entering another chapter of your life, the adulthood, gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm so proud of you. After everything you've been through, all the silent battles you fought, and kung sino ka ngayon, it really speaks who you are today as a person. Napaka-intindihin mo, napaka-genuine mong tao, lalo kung mahalaga siya sa'yo, super. At lalong-lalo ang wise mo. Sa loob ng ilang years nating naging magkaibigan, marami akong natutuhan sa'yo. Kalokohan man or about life, ang dami kong natutunan sa'yo. May realizations habang ginagawa ko yung message ko na to. Ang dami nating similarities. At yung harmony nating dalawa ay hindi nag-fade kahit na matagal tayong hindi nag-uusap. We ain't a soulmate for a reason. Despite everything na nangyari sa atin, God knows kung gaano ka ka-importante sa buhay ko. Walang makakapantay talaga sa friendship natin kahit sino pa dumating. Kasi alam mo yon, sa tuwing magkasama tayo, hindi ko kailangang, alam mo yun, kahit di ako magsalita, di ko kailangan i-explain sarili ko, basta kahit magkatingin na lang tayo para feeling ko naintindihan mo na agad ako. Ikaw lang nakagparamdam nun sa akin. Na, di ba, ang daming tao na parang nakaka-pressure, pero kapag kasama kita, parang okay lang na ilabas ko yung sarili ko, basta ikaw kasama ko. Parang safe space kita. Ayun. Whenever you feel like tinatalikuran ka na naman ng mundo at wala kang kakampi, lagi mong tatandaan mag-pray at mag-ask ng guidance sa Kanya. Yan ang madadala mo habang buhay na kahit kailan, never kanyang iiwanan. Likewise, andito pa rin ako para makinig sa rants mo at andito pa rin ako, sinusuportahan kita sa mga achievements mo. Kahit, alam mo yun, hindi tayo palagi nag-uusap. Andito pa rin ako sa likod mo. I'm so proud of you, Happy Legality.
Okay, to my baby cakes, happy birthday. Sobrang dami kong gustong sabihin. Siguro kailangan ko ng higit pa isang araw para masabi ko lahat ng gusto kong sabihin sa'yo. Walang araw na hindi ako nagpasalamat kay God dahil nabuhay ka. And very, very thankful ako. Like, thank you for always hearing me out and sa mga araw na hindi ako okay or may time na nawawala ako sa sarili ko. Basta, sa'yo ako nagsasabi and nagrarant ng mga problems ko and sobrang helpful ng mga advices mo and sobrang nakakatulong siya sa akin para mag-continue. Even when you're going through a lot in your life, continuing to pave your own way for yourself, you still always there for us, especially for me. I can't describe in words how much our friendship means to me. Thank you for being with me when life got really hard.
You heals me just by being there at my side. I really appreciate you for that, and I could not ask for more. The universe knew I needed you, and I'll be forever grateful that I have you with me in this lifetime. As long as I'm alive, you will always have someone by your side who is proud of you and notices your achievements when you feel invisible to people. I wish for your day to be filled with happiness, surrounded by the love of those who appreciate you as much as I do, and may the year ahead bring you new opportunities, exciting challenges, and the fulfillment of your heart's desires. Happy birthday, Erich. I love you.
Happy birthday sa nag-iisang bunso ng unang circle of friends namin, yung Chika Doras. Siya po yung bunso namin kasi siya po yung pinakabata sa amin. As you turn 18, I want you to know how special you are and how much you are loved. Your journey to this milestone has been beautiful symphony of growth, laughter, and love. Your kindness, compassion have touched the hearts of many. And your strength and resilience have inspired to those around you. With each candle you light on your 18th birthday, kahit wala kami hawak na kandila. Wala pa, be. Wala pa sa amin. So, ayun. May it symbolize a cherished memory, a lesson learned, and a dream pursued. May your light shine brightly, guiding your through ups and downs of life, and may your spirit remain unbroken in the face of challenges. As you step into adulthood, may you embrace the unknown with courage, curiosity, and open heart. Remember that you are never alone. You have a tribe of supporters cheering on you, believing in your potential, and celebrating your victories. Happy 18th birthday sa nag-iisang bunso ng Chika Doras at Lores Lugawan. This year be filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. Embrace the journey ahead with confidence and peace, knowing that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Keep shining and keep dreaming and keep spreading your light to the world. Happy birthday. I love you.
Na-pressure ako hindi ko expected that I will be surrounded by your friends and your classmates. Feeling ko nasa classroom tayo. Puro students yata mga kasama ko. Okay, so to my pretty and bubbly pamangkin. So you are no longer a child, but not yet an adult. So you are entering into a new chapter of your life. May your 18th year will be a canvas for beautiful memories and exciting adventures. Trust and believe in yourself. Stay focused on your goals and develop a positive mindset. Always remember the advices of those significant people around you in order to gain knowledge, especially your parent, your titas, and of course, your friends. God bless you and be happy. I love you.
Palakpakan naman po natin. Thank you, ladies.
Happy birthday sa pinakamamahal kong apo na si Erich. Ngayon ay isa ka ng ganap na dalaga. Wala akong ibang ma-advise sa'yo kundi ang magtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo at okay lang makipagkaibigan at hindi naman masasabing boyfriend. Basta best friend lang. Pero unahin sa lahat ang pag-aaral. Para matulungan mo rin ang parents mo dahil hindi naman sila habang panahon na tatanda rin sila balang araw. Kaya kayong magkapatid na lang ang makakatulong sa mga magulang nyo. Kaya wala akong inaasam sa'yo, anak, kundi maging masunurin kang anak, maging mabait na bata, at pahalagahan mo, anak, yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Yun lang. At mag-enjoy ka sa iyong pagiging teenager at dalagang ganap na ngayon. Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, anak. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na mahal ka namin. Yung papa mo, yung Kuya Gio mo, ng Ate Jeng mo, lola mo, mga tita mo, tito, lahat. Walang nakita kasi din yung mga friends mo. Gusto ko lang naman sana, ngayong 18 ka na, mas maging responsable ka. Babae, anak. Kasi hindi naman habang buhay, nasa tabi mo kami. At sana, lahat ng parents, ang gusto niyan, makatapos ng pag-aaral yung anak ng walang problema. Sabihin yung hindi ka, mapasok sa relasyon na mapapariwara ka. Sana, makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Unahin mo muna yun bago yun lahat. Saka mo na gawin yung gusto mo, kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo na magpapasaya sa'yo. Happy birthday, anak. Yes, everybody.
Yung mas masaya at mabilis. Everybody now, come on, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Erich. There you have it. Okay, so this is what we're going to do as Erich blow each candle. Bago niya yan i-blow, I'd like you to say, may all our wishes come true. And as they say that, Erich, you're going to blow each candle one by one. Wait, sabay-sabay, ready? 1, 2, 3. May all our wishes come true. Go ahead, blow the candles. Okay. Tabi na po kayo kay Ate Las. Okay, go ahead. Assist our debutant na po. Come forward, those at the back. All right. Okay, there's more. Wow. There you have it. Of course, everybody, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Erich. Blow your candle. Palakpakan naman po natin. All right. And let's have 1, 2, 3. Palakpakan naman po natin our 18 candles. Good job, you guys. You may now take your seat.
Alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
One more time.
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena.
One more time. Last one. I'm dropping this now. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Hey, hey, come on. Ay, maganda naman natin si Angel. At iba. One more time. Hey, let's go. Ito na, kakembot ka. Come on. Balakpakan naman natin. Good job. Let's go, Tita. Come on. One more time. Palakpakan naman po natin, Tita. Hey! Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Palakpakan nyo na. Let's go, ladies. Let's go, ladies.
Like a storm raining.
Let's go, guys. Come on, Eric. One more friends. Let's go, guys. Come on. Ayun, oh. Hey! Alright. Let's do this. Palakpakan naman natin. Grabe.
Georgia, wrap me up in all you hurt you. In my arms, let me hold ya. I'll never let you go again like I did or used to say. I would never fall in love again until I found her. I've fallen too. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day. And I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud, maybe we found love right where we are. When my hair's all but gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name. When my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old, it's evergreen. And baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. And maybe it's all part of a plan. Well, I'll just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. But baby, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. So baby, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh darling, place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. Or maybe we found love right where we are. And we found love right where we are. Beneath Alam mo ba kung paano nahulog sa'yo? Naramdaman lang bigla ng puso. Aking sinta, ikaw lang nagparamdam nito. Kaya sabihin mo sa'kin ang tumatakbo sa isip mo. Kung mahal mo na rin ba ako, isayaw mo ako sa gitna ng ulan, mahal ko. Kapalit man nito'y buhay ko, gagawin ang lahat para sa'yo. Alam kong mahal mo na rin ako. Bini-bini, sabi mo noon sa'kin ayaw mo pa. Pero ang yakap ngayon'y kakaiba. Hindi ka ba nalilito? Totoo na bang gusto ko? Huwag nang labanan ng puso. Alam kong mahal mo na ako. Kung ganun, halika na't huwag lumayo.
Anak, happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. My girl is now a lady. Eh, nasabi na nila, wala na akong masasabi. May mental block pa ako. Meron pala akong ano rito. Kodi ko. Nasabi na nila hindi ko na babasahin to. baka mamaya makatulog. Masaya ako kasi nairaos to kahit sa tulong ng kuya mo na si Boss Gio na-sponsoran ka. Kaya ako'y talagang tontuwa kasi wala namang magulang na ano sa anak eh. Lahat gusto niyang gawin. Eh, siyempre, nahiyak nga ako. Ano nga eh, yung... But anak, pagbutihin mo lang ulit yung pag-aaral mo. Nandito lang kami ulit sa likod mo, nakagabay sa'yo. At sa tulong ng mga tito mo, diba? Nandiyan lang kami sa'yo sa likod mo. But magpakabait ka lang. Yun lang. Kasi nasabi na nila eh. Wala na rin akong sasabihin pa. I love you, anak. May unika iha. Wala nang kakandong-kandong sa akin kasi dalagan. Wala na akong makakarga-karga. Kasi hindi na siya girl, lady na siya eh. Yun lang. Thank you.
But of course, you are the father. Ladies and gents, the 18 Roses, palakpakan naman po natin. Thank you, guys.
Grew up in a small town, wondering would fall down. I just stare out my window, dreaming what it could be. And if I end up happy, I would pray. Try not to reach out, but when I try to speak out, felt like no one could hear me. Wanted to belong here, something felt so wrong here, so I pray I could break away. I'll spread my wings and I'll learn how to fly. I'll do what it takes. edge of the ocean. Get on board a fast train, travel on a jet plane far away and break away. I'll spread my wings and I'll learn how to fly. I'll do what it takes till I touch the sky. Now make a wish, take a chance, make a change and break away. Out of the darkness and into the sun, but I won't forget all the ones that I learned. Take a risk, take a chance, make a change and break away. Buildings with 100 floors, turning around revolving doors. Maybe I don't know where they'll take me, but you gotta keep it moving on, moving on. Fly away, break away. I'll spread my wings and I'll learn how to fly. Though it's not easy to tell you goodbye. Gonna take a risk, take a chance, make a change and break away. Out of the darkness and into the sun, but I won't forget the place I come from. I gotta take a risk, make a chance, make a change and break away. Break
Hi! Nabusog ba kayo? Sana all. Ayan, una sa lahat, gusto ko po pasalamatan yung suppliers namin kasi hindi rin hindi rin magiging successful event na to kundi dahil sa kanila. Thank you po, Hizon's Catering, Hardin de Miramar sa event, sa Funbox PH po, sa photo booth, and sa Tech Daddy Lights and Sounds. And ayun, gusto ko rin po. At saka, syempre, ang ganda ko, di ba? Sabihin niya, oo. All thanks to Miss Ira. Yeah! Na sobrang hands-on pamula pre-debut photoshoot ko pa lang po. Hanggang ngayon. Yeah! And ayun, gusto ko rin po pasalamatan sila mama at papa na sinasamahan ako pamula baby pa ako. Yeah! Ayan. Kahit sa itong dress na to, sila rin po yung tumulong sa akin na mapili ito. Kasi napaka-indecisive kong tao. Buti na lang po andyan sila. Tsaka ayan, thank you po rin kay Kuya Gio. Huy! Sayang, wala siya dito. Ay, sige po. Ayan, thank you rin po kay Kuya Gio na nagbigay, woo! Ganon. Ganon. Para maging successful din itong event na to kahit nasa malayo po siya. Ayun. Nag-ano rin po siya. Tinatry niyang, naging hands-on din po siya. Ayun. Thank you rin po sa inyong mga bisita ko na sinamahan akong i-celebrate yung pag-enter ko ng legality. Kahit hindi pa ito yung legality ko. Ha! So 28 pa po talaga. Pero thank you po. Pumunta kayo sa mga 18 candles ko. Thank you sa wishes nyo, sa messages nyo, sa pag-appreciate sa akin, sa 18 gifts and bills, thank you. Yeah! Ebe! And ayan, thank you rin po sa roses ko na sinayaw ako. Yeah! And ayan. Ano pa ba? Ayan. Yeah! Ayan, thank you po sa inyo. Pumunta kayo kahit ang layo-layo nyo. Talagang nag-make time kayo sa mga tito-tita ko na nasa Quezon City pa, sa Pampanga. Tapos yung mga kaibigan ko rin na malayo, ganon. Ang layo. Yung isa, kapitbahay ko lang. Sila Angel, sila Tito June. Yeah! Ang layo nyo. Buti pumunta kayo. Yeah! And ayun po, thank you rin po kila Miss Millet. And kahit hindi niyo po ako personally kilala po, umatan pa rin po kayo. Yeah! Ayan, syempre, isa rin sa kaya na handle ko rin yung stress ko. Na-stress din ako, no? Hello! Alam nyo, kayo lang? Ako rin! Ayan. Kay Ate Jeng, siya talaga yung nag-push din sa akin. Actually, hindi naman din ako nag-expect or naghahangad din ng debut. Pero, ayun, thank you sa kanila. Ayan. First time ko rin po kasi talagang makapag-celebrate ng ganito. So kung makita ko kayong ganito, di nyo alam na sobrang natatouch ako na hindi ako iiyak. Tatapos na eh. Ayun. Kay Ate Jeng, thank you sa mga kailangan ko. Ikaw nagre-remind. Kahit pares tayong makakalimutin. Thank you sa sa effort, sa pag-coordinate kahit hindi ka coordinator. Naging multitasker siya. Sabi ko na talaga, meron akong surprise video. Oh my God, di talaga pumapalya yung duda ko. Ayan, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Kila Mama at Papa, kay Kuya Gio, kay Ate Jenny, sa mga suppliers ko. Paulit-ulit, copy-paste. Yun lang po. Thank you po.
Wala po.
And wait, there's more! Hindi rin to magiging masaya tong event na to, kundi dahil sa host ko. Yan. Sobrang akala ko talaga magiging boring yung party na to. Pero dahil sa creativity niya, nag-enjoy ako and kita namang nag-enjoy rin kayo. Ayun, buti na lang hindi inagaw ng lechon yung spotlight ko eh. Akala ko sa kanya matataon yung atensyon niyo. Ayun. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Mahal na mahal ko rin po kayo. The same way na mahal niyo ako. Boto niyo ako, tatakbo akong SK. Yun lang po. Thank you po.
Wow.